So what I'm going to show you today is how you have the opportunity to really change the way that exterior remodeling is sold. So if you think about that for a minute, our industry is one of the last remaining industries, unchanged by all the advances in technology. I don't have to convince many of you of that because you probably have people in your office that maybe still have a flip phone. They may not know their iTunes password. So there's a lot of obstacles that had prevented it. At this point, we've made this so seamless and simple that anybody can pick up a phone, take a few pictures, and be empowered with this technology. So kind of with that being said, many of you are here because you want to learn more about how you can differentiate yourself, close more deals, ultimately make more money. As you all probably know, Hover transforms smartphone photos into a fully measured, customizable 3D model of any home. If this is your first time being exposed to Hover, I'd recommend accessing our help center online and/or reaching out to our support team to learn more. Hover is far more than measurements. It's a customer engagement platform. I did want to show you this though. While we are so much more than measurements, the measurements we do give you are extremely accurate. We provide dimensions down to the inch. So we don't round up to the nearest foot, like any of our aerial measurement only friends. What this translates to is accurate square footage and linear dimensions that you can use to order the precise amount of material and cut down on any waste. So what I really want to talk to you about today, though, are all the benefits of this fully customizable 3D model of your customer's home. This is really going to help your sales presentations and ultimately your bottom line. This 3D model puts you in more positions to be able to upsell and cross-sell, which both mean bigger contracts. Repeat business, as you guys know, is something that's much harder in our industry. Most of the projects that we do have a lifespan, of 20, 25, 30 years or more. If you're able to sell to the customer more than just a new roof, you're now able to get maximum value from that lead. The 3D model will really help you gain a competitive edge. There's 4,500 roofing contractors just in the Dallas-Fort Worth market. So by being here on this webinar and learning how to use this 3D model to your advantage, it's really going to put you ahead of your competition. When you walk into your next appointment and show the homeowner their home in 3D, they're really going to be blown away. It's going to give you instant credibility in the eyes of that homeowner. They'll quickly be able to identify you as an industry leader. So no chuck in a truck, or layering in a ladder is going to be showing up to the home with this 3D model of a home. You're also going to gain credibility in the fact that you're being transparent. You're going to be able to show them some specific line segments. I personally don't show, the square footage of the roof, but I want to be transparent in that I'm not ripping them off. I'm not overcharging them. The measurements that I have are specific to their home, and the price I have is specific to those measurements and their needs. So with this 3D model, you also will have effectively engaged the homeowner, in this substantial purchase. I read something the other day that said people are buying less things and spending more money on experiences. With that, what I mean is by offering them this 3D model, you're engaging them in this buying experience. You're giving them something unique. They're looking for more than just a number on a piece of paper. They want to be engaged in the process. So with this 3D model, you're giving them that buying experience that people today are looking for. The other benefit to having this fully customizable 3D model is the ability to upsell and to cross-sell. And by upsell, I just mean sell premium products to them. Instead of showing them an architectural shingle, you can now show them a premium shingle. Or instead of showing them their home with a double floor lap siding, you can now show them what it looks like with some kind of cedar shakes on there. So some of those design features are going to help you to be able to upsell. And then cross-sell, you're going to be able to, if you're there for a roofing lead, you can now show them this fully customizable 3D model and get them thinking about what different siding would look like, or what new windows might look like, what new trim and soffit, and all these different products that you can more efficiently sell.